Wednesday, December 6, 2023. Saint Nicholas. Focus. I have compassion on the crowd. The tragic violence in Manipur outraged most people. Some of us promptly forwarded every video that showed the sufferings of the people and roundly condemned the perpetrators. Other people were sympathetic for a while, then forgot about it. But many were touched and reached out to the victims in whatever way they could because they felt compassion for them. Jesus was moved with compassion on seeing the hungry and exhausted crowd. He felt their pain and set out to relieve it by performing the miracle of multiplication of bread and fish. Whenever Jesus saw the suffering in any way, he suffered with them and reached out to them in love. There are many examples of this in the Gospels. Jesus commands us to love one another. Unless we have love, we cannot have compassion. Our materialistic world has made us indifferent to the needs of others. But compassion urges us to look at the needy and the less fortunate with eyes of love and understanding. It is natural to be sympathetic and even empathetic with others, but compassion is more action-oriented and fruitful. It makes us move out of our comfort zone. If only we had a little of the compassion that Jesus had, the world would be a far better place. Fruit. From today, I will try and be compassionate like Jesus was, first to my family members and then to my neighbors and others in need.